What is up everyone, Jeran here, hoping you're safe and great. For this video, isa akong mouse, no? Kasi mag-unbox tayo ng isang mouse from Logitech. So this is the Logitech G304 or actually G305 sa other countries. And pang ilang mouse ko na ba to na in-unbox? So let's go!
Alright, so let's inspect the box first of the G304 Lightspeed gaming wireless mouse from Logitech. So at the sides, no, we can see it's just the logo. And at the back, you have the features right here. So we have the Lightspeed technology, so ultra low latency, hero sensor up to 12,000 dpi and 10 times power efficiency. And it will last you up to 250 hours of gaming with this mouse with the AA battery. And it weighs less than 100 grams. Actually, it's 99 grams, no? So that 1 gram actually matters. If you want to read the specs, just click on that pause button and read the specs here. So it doesn't actually matter to me because ang performance ang magmamatter for this mouse, no? So again, pang-apat na palit ng mouse ko na to. And naghahanap na talaga ako ng best mouse for me. So sana ito na yung mouse na yon. So let's just pull this tab out and we will reveal kung ano yung laman ng ating box, no? Alright, so we have the Logitech sticker, some paperwork. So this includes yung ating warranty, yung guide, and some more information about the mouse in Mandarin and in English form. So here's the actual guide for the mouse itself. So medyo mas bongga, no, yung packaging nung last time nating binuksan yung Hyperion Fury. But they're in the process of lessening eco waste, no. So good job on that, Logitech. So pulling up this plastic wrap na hindi ko mabuksan on this side. So on the other side tayo, we will reveal the USB extender for the USB receiver, no. Actually, kung malapit lang naman sa yung PC mo, you don't actually need this. Pero if medyo malayo-layo and you want to maximize that latency, para mo lang latency, you can use this. You have the Duracell battery there, a AA, so included na siya. That's nice. And we have another paperwork here which just says keep playing, no. So that's just marketing paraphernalia for Logitech. So we have the mouse here, so magaan-gaan. It's actually less than 99 grams ngayon kasi wala pa siyang battery. So with the battery, it's 99 grams. Okay, so very light in the hand. And first impressions, the texture feels nice even if it's plastic. So you have two programmable buttons here. So check natin yung right side. So wala namang button dito sa right side, no. So that's nice. So this is for right-handed users, I think. So you have the DPI switch here and the scroll wheel here, which feels very nice when scrolling. And you have the power switch right down there under the G304. And upon opening up this part, we will reveal yung ating battery slot and yung slot for the USB receiver, no. So dito natin siya encase and very secured siya on that spot. Right? And lagyan na natin yung Duracell battery natin, no. So this will last up until siguro around 3 months, no, kasi 250 hours, no, of continuous gaming. So that was all for the unboxing, no. So we will test out the mouse right now. So much like the G402 Hyperion Fury na in-unbox natin last week, pareho lang din yung process nung pag-download nung Logitech G Hub niya. So naka-install naman na sa computer ko and then papaganahin ko na lang. Alright, so opening up the Logitech G Hub, na-detect agad yung ating mouse na G304 and nakikita natin dito sa baba, performance mode. So naka-performance mode siya and yung battery natin which is still in full capacity. So when we click that, makikita natin dito yung ating different settings na pwedeng ipasok or i-program dun sa ating mouse. So for me, so ang nilagay ko is snipping tool for the first button at the left side and for the second button which is copy kasi yun yung madalas kong gamitin sa work. And yung middle click natin, so usual naman yan, opening up some tabs opening another window, yung secondary clicks, right click, DPI cycle, is of course i-customize natin yan. Yung primary click natin, which is the right click, so, or the left click, no? So, it's okay na on that one. So, if we click here, dun sa sensitivity or DPI, no? So, I am more comfortable with 2,500. So, okay na siya dyan. So, that's my setting na talaga when it comes to mice, no? Or yung mga mouse na ginagamit ko. So, 2.5 is the best for me. But you can change that, no, with the Logitech G Hub easily. So, you hold mo lang siya ng ganyan. And then, kung ano yung naka-underline, yan yung setting mo ngayon. So, ganun lang kadali. Actually, guys, ganun lang kadali gumamit ng Logitech G Hub. Very, very easy. So, that is a very, very nice program. So, dito, meron tayong high and low. Yung low endurance, siguro, mas mababawasan when it comes to sensitivity, yung response time. Pero, since marami tayong battery dito sa bahay, and meron tayong rechargeable battery, so, high performance tayo. Alright, so, you also have the report rate or yung ating response rate dito sa bottom. So, pwede mong i-change yan, 1,500, 250, 125. For me, 1,000 since actually yun yung default and yun yung comfortable ako na gamitin. So, iba-iba naman tayo ng settings na gusto. So, that was all. Alright, so using this mouse while gaming, no, feeling ko mas magaan siya in a way kasi walang wire. So, when I was using kasi yung Razer Death Adder Essential, may wire siya and feeling ko may humahatak. Although, pwede naman siyang gamitan ng mouse bungee, no? Pero, mas masaya pa rin yung wireless mouse. Feeling ko, mas magaan siya. Feeling ko, walang humahatak when it comes to moving the mouse around. And it's very comfortable in... I'm very comfortable in using this mouse.
So that was all for our unboxing and the first impressions of the Logitech G304 mouse. So this will be my new daily driver mouse because first of all, nagpapalit ako ng black setup. Pero pangalawa, gusto ko yung wireless feeling, no? Ang gaan and very, very responsive. Parang hindi ako nagpalit ng from wired mouse, no? If you like this video, just click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech stuff like this. And guys, I'll see you on the next one.